We're back now, guys, because I got lost. Now you most try to figure out the code. Good luck, hackers. Okay. Okay, there you go. Genius. I'm too genius for this. So sweet. It was sweet. Oops. Mr. Butter Coconut, you metal hacker. You want to die? Oopsie, sorry, I won't say that word. I'm recording again because I just... There you go. Wait, there you go. Okay. Like this. There you go. Yes! Haha! Yes, I'm so good at this. Haha! Whoa! We really need to work in that code. Haha! Noob! Die! Meet with the president in the next room. Yeah, see you later, idiot. President, wait. President, so sweet. Sweet. Hello again. Hello, Mr. President. Sorry I had to leave early. It's okay. I had to get everything ready. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, as our very special guest, I will let you sleep in my presidential bedroom. For some reason, I can't find the keys. Can you look for them? Okay. They should be somewhere around this room. Found the key. There. I found the keys! Alright. Mr. Butter Coconut. Great. Let's open the door. Then, yay, my bed, the presidential bedroom. Dun 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 dun. This is where you will be spending the night. There's a monster. I'm guessing it. Oh, there's a room for everyone. I'll give you guys time to get comfy. So comfy. Good night. Mr. P, you're gonna die. Okay. UK, Mr. Trump, or I don't know. Alright, I should sleep. Whoa, what's going on? Okay, I was sleeping. It's nighttime already. I know it's really nighttime. I can't sleep. Me too, I can't pee. There is something about this flight that scares me. I'm scared too, because Chris has nightmares. Guys? The curtain. Oh no, there must be a monster. Ew! Oh, that must be so scary. No way! Who's that? Who's that? Is that... Oh! No! Oh my god, that was the president agent. Oh no! It's the monster. Did you forget about me so early? Fire! We need to run. I'm running! Ah! Fire! Fire! Mommy! Oh my god, I'm so afraid. Guys, I have a seizure. Don't look back so. It's my party. You're an idiot. You're an idiot. I have a seizure. I have an anxiety attack. Help me, dear Lord. Oh no. No, I don't want to die. Oh! Oh my god, that might be terrifying. Still safe here. Oh my god, I'll say E-wave. Hey guys, it's me. I'm at the. Oh my god. But wait, I have an anxiety attack, so yeah. Are we safe now? Remember the Alamo. The floor. Get on something high quick. I was here. Oh my god. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Please. No. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so... The fire is gone. It's gone. What's happening? This plane is dangerous right now. Alright. Oh wait. Oops. Wait guys. Oh wait, the phone. Wait. Wait.
So you are?
It's in the game. Alright. Hello? Who's there? I'm recording, Who's there? Hey guys! I'm glad you picked up. Pilot Kelly! Something terrible is happening on this plane. This plane is haunted. Pilot Kelly. You don't say. Oh god, that's might be scary. I can't tell you much through the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot cabin. Okay. The problem is the door is locked. Just give me a minute while I try to unlock it. Okay. Oh my god, this is disrespect. Get closer while I do, but be careful. The monster might still around. Okay. The monster is still around. This bull crap. I won't say that. I won't say that. You will not escape time. Shut up! Shut up, monster. I hate you. Stop. Hey. See, I told you guys, he's a monster. No. You don't catch me. They don't catch me. Please don't. Please don't. Yoink! Nothing ever happened. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god! This monster! Ah! No. This monster's an idiot. Help me! Ah! No! Ah! No! Mommy! No! Why is he more than hurting? He's a more than hurt! Ah! No. Please don't. I don't want to die. Please stop, please. Oh my god. I'm so afraid. Please don't. No. Oh god, I'm in the... Yes! Great. Everyone is here. Oh my god, Pilot Kelly. Thank god. What is going on? Ouch. We saw that monster again. I think it's back. Did he follow us here? I don't know, because that monster's like a piece of crap. It didn't follow you here. That monster's kind of piece of smoke. It made you come here. Again? Really again? I knew there was something wrong here. The good news is, I'm not just a pilot, okay? I'm also a secret agent. Then I know a lot about this monster. I know there's like a terrorist bombing. The once used to be a human, but he had no friends. Aww. As a matter of fact, no one wait, and there was something about planes. Blah 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 blah. He was always so obsessed with planes. Scary. He liked to read news about plane crashes. Ah! Plane crash. Yes. So he tried to make a plane crash himself. Luckily, he died of a heart attack the day he was about. His spirit still chases people like you guys. Blah 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 blah. Because he blames you for his death. Oh my god. Now that you know the story about the monster, you must know he can take any shape. He could be any agent or even the president. But I'm not sure yet. Okay. Take this gun. Okay, I will take it. I'll become a Terminator. Me. You only have one chance. Discover him and kill him. Okay, Pilot Kelly, I will kill him. I will kill this monster. So who is taking the shot? Me. I will take a shot. I will do it. I'll shoot the agent, not the president. Alright. Good luck, guys. Good luck, Pilot Kelly. I'll say good luck, Pilot Kelly. Good luck, Pilot Kelly. Okay. There you are! Ha, agent, you idiot! We've been looking for you! It's over. We've discovered you, monster. Shotgun, idiot. Wait! Put that gun down! What are you doing? We know about the plan to kill us! Yes. We know one of you is the monster. The agent! You are making a huge mistake. Shut up. We are not monsters. No, okay, I'm not gonna kill the president. I don't trust you. Alright, I'll pick something. Who will really shoot? Don't shoot. I'll kill the agent. Because die. Oh. Oh no. Yes! We saved the day! Ah! What is that? It's the monster. It's the monster. Mr. President. It has been haunting us since the first trip. Yeah, that's since the first trip. I tried to make advantage of this trip to kill us. that is crazy. What am I doing? Thank you for saving my life. Congratulations, passengers. Thank you, Pilot Kelly. You saved the day once again. Or Agent Kelly. Oopsie. That was so scary. Let's go home. At least it's finally gone now. I know, dude. Oh, yes. Finally. Gone. Finally gone. Yay! Well, guys, that's pretty much it for my Airplane 2 experience. Because the agent's an idiot. Because that's why he turned into a freaking monster. Well, guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel, and I will be uploading more videos in the future, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys. See ya later.